Hello friends, in this video I will show how to adjust image inside Excel. Like this, you want to adjust image size automatically as your cell size. Once you resize your cell size, so picture will be automatically resized. Like this. So very simple and easy way. Insert your picture. Now select any cell. Format row height. So make row height as your need and column width. Now we need some more row height, so keep your picture inside this cell and adjust lump sum like this. Try to resize your picture as your cell border. Now right click on picture, size and properties, and expand this properties and select this first one, move and size with cells. Now try to resize your cell size so picture will be adjust automatically like this. Right click size and properties and select this first option, move and size with cells. So thanks for watching and try this properly, it will work. This is the easy method.